just one big bang, and then I ran into the bathroom, I hunkered down, and then I went outside, and it looked like everything just got messed up.
I heard what the unmistakable sound of a tornado. I've been through a couple of those, and you just hear that roar. And so I jumped up out of the bed, ran into the closet, and ducked under some heavier material and just rode it out. It was over pretty quick.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.